I just don't know how to put it into words what their efforts over the past few years have done for the student body at UC Merced, right? I'm sorry, getting a little teary-eyed. But it's been amazing. Just an emotional experience, to say the least. Yeah, so I guess I'll start off by I was a computer science major, so my first year I did not much, right? I stayed in my room, played video games, did my computer science labs, and that's when I thought to myself, there's something more that I'm missing here. I get to meet a bunch of students every semester, and each one is so extraordinarily unique, and getting to know them on a more personal level, like what they want to do, who they are, what they like doing just as hobbies, and seeing how those connect with either the outdoors or maybe indoors in a lab. That alone just gave me a sense of belonging here at UC Merced because it gave me such a love for the people around me, right? It's really what you decide to do with your time and who you decide to spend it with. Some people love Feel Curious so much that they made their own club. And that really shows us that we're doing the right thing here. But along with that, maybe they take a minor, or maybe they change that major to a minor and now they do like an environmental background. And I love that. I love seeing your current passion mixed in with a new passion you may acquire. And that's what I love seeing, right? Just a combination of what you already love and adding more amazing things on top of it. Just start asking questions a lot earlier. That's what I missed, right? I learned that there was like a backpacking trip for incoming freshmen called Week of Wilderness. I would have loved that. I wasn't too sure how comfortable I'd be in the outdoors as a computer science major, but I learned to love this place so much. So definitely just walk around sometimes. Even if you're not walking to a class, just go to the leadership office or to your counselor and just ask them, like, what can I do here? And I think you'll get so many answers regardless of what you're studying. I think they gain a lot more confidence to, at the very least, know that they belong here at UC Merced or in the research field, because I think that's our main goal for Feel Curious. It's just break down that barrier, making you feel like this is a choice you can go into. If you don't like research, or maybe you prefer to be in a lab, that's amazing as well, because we just want to make sure that door is open for you and you can go through whatever journey you decide to. YLP, basically, it's just a 2-year program at UC Merced, which just teaches you leadership, community building. Besides having weekly leadership seminars, we also went rock climbing, hiking. They do retreats here at least once or twice a year, right in this very cabin. And then you also work with the community to do like impact projects. Mine was based off Mariposa, right? So like it's not even just in Merced, it's the surrounding communities. After you've learned some leadership stuff, or maybe if you couldn't do YLP, you can do the YLPSI, Yosemite Leadership Program, summer internship. And that one is just, you get to live in Yosemite for free and help out park rangers or other staff do their amazing work. I wanted to just spend so much more time here after getting a taste of it. There's so many different positions, which is amazing because we all get to live in the same cabin and we're all doing different things. So at the end of the day, we can talk about what we did, what were our struggles, and what was amazing as well, all the awesome sites we saw. I personally was doing journalism, social media, and then tagging along with research groups. But there was also an archaeologist, someone restoring rivers, someone working on trails. And then there's office jobs too, so like administration. So there's so many opportunities no matter what your interest is and no matter what your major is as well.